I feel blessed to be able to celebrate the accomplishments of our junior high students in this virtual honor roll assembly. These accomplishments are even more remarkable when one considers the many challenges and obstacles that were faced during fourth quarter with remote learning. I'm sure that while you enjoyed being able to wake up later, setting up Google Classroom for different classes, keeping track of all the homework, encountering obstacles such as slow internet, procrastination, and feelings of isolation from your friends couldn't have been easy. Your attention span at home must have been a lot shorter than it is at school, since our homes were not created to be a school environment. Probably every time you had a class or wanted to get some homework done, there was always some kind of distraction. Plus, it was way harder to get feedback on your work. But while you may not have been learning as much history as former students or writing as many essays, you were truly living history. And you've learned so much: resilience, time management, and how to be responsible for your own learning. So let me be the first to congratulate you for all that you have accomplished. Sixth grade, second honors: Grace Alexson, Alexandra Casanovas, Sophia Fiacato, Abigail Jump, Nathan Mann, Aria Miller, Adrian Schaubel, and Matthew Van Diemen. First honors for sixth grade: William Acevedo, Charlotte Blankenheim, Paige Eddy, Gavin Jones, Henry Kopek, Marissa Massiola, Caden Metternach, Henry Metternach, Nathan Michaels, Charlie Nash, Ella Oster, Lucas Orozco, Tess Richards, Regan Swan, Cadence Whitehead, and Cole Williams. Outstanding honors in sixth grade: Jack Christoffel, Mia Dominguez, Halo Galvez Huerta, Cece Hilby, Jessica Holland, Abby Lurick, Samantha Ochoa, Adam Pearson, Billy Reynolds, Michaela Seener, Jack Switek, and Jackson Washington. Receiving second honors in seventh grade: Aaron Barr, Sophia Corral, Eleanor Hawkins, and Jason San Diego. Receiving first honors: Aime Acosta, Maite Acosta, Emilio Arizaga, Annie Schiltz, and Liam Schwartz. Seventh grade outstanding honors goes to Sarah Beggs, Ryan Churchill, Nick DeLeon, Reese Gilla, Anna Heffertepe, Regan Conan, Caroline Kuttner, Isabel Lagman, Ava Moskal, and Aaliyah Ritchie. Receiving second honors in eighth grade: Rudy Griffin, Alex Powell, Mateo Ramirez, and Julian Torres. Receiving first honors: Luke Kaufman, Addie Convey, Amila Derma, Daniel Eberly, Patrick Hilby, Allie Orozco, Seth Vahey, and Rachel Udit. And receiving outstanding honors in eighth grade: Ryan Anderson, Olivia Chavez, Sarah Duvall, Emmy Hollerbush, Kevin Lilwitz, Charlie Reynolds, Jacob Senior, and Kevin Stanislaw. Congratulations to all of our honor roll recipients. Have a great summer.